Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's recipe is stir fry, which is super easy to make, packed with vegetables and full of flavor. Here I have taken mushrooms, onions, spinach. Heat the pan in a low flame. Add olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic. Make sure that garlic should not burn. Try to saute it easily. Add the vegetables inside the pan and stir fry it for around 5 minutes and saute it on a lower flame. Very carefully, try not to burn it. Now you can add some salt. A pinch of salt will be enough here because we should avoid salt in the dinners. Add some crushed red pepper. You can also call it as a red chili flakes. Mix well. This will give extra flavor to the dish. Now we are adding little bit of black pepper. It's totally optional. If you want, you can add it. Meanwhile, in the air fryer, I have taken 2 breast fillets of the chicken. Close the lid and cook till the chicken is done. As you can see, my chicken is ready. Now for the stir fry, we'll add half cup of pasta. This half cup pasta will be enough here. I like my chicken stir fry with pasta, so I have added little bit over here. Add little bit of lemon juice on top of it to give the tangy effect. Now mix everything. Our stir fry is ready to serve. This simple vegetable and pasta stir fry you can make anytime on any occasion or for any normal dinners. It's quick and easy. It's so flavorful. Your family will surely enjoy it. Add the chicken on top of the stir fry. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious dinner with your family and friends, and please subscribe to our channel and write the comments below.